I was sent this 5-in-1 styling comb, and let's put it to use and style my hair. Now you can see I have my hair dry, but you can also use it on wet hair, and it's supposed to dry your hair in like 10 minutes, which is pretty amazing. So this is what you're gonna get. This is the bottom part, and you get the different attachments to it. So putting them on is pretty simple. You're just gonna line it up right here, and then you twist over. When you hear that click, that means it's in, and then to take it off, untwist. And then you have all the different ones. You have another size here of the curler, and then you have a brush as well. Plus you get the hot glove, which I will be wearing to style my hair. All right, let's check it out and just see what kind of cool styles we can do with it. If you just want to blow dry your hair, there's the attachment. That's the on off right there. And you have different levels of speed and heat. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and kind of straighten my hair a little bit and then put some curls in it. So easy to snap on. It's on. Put it to a higher heat. Let's begin. It really blows that wind a lot. Okay, so I really didn't need the glove on for that part, to be fair. Let me take this off. It is warm, so maybe when you go to take off the pieces, I would say keep the glove on for that part. So let's take this one off. And let's try putting in some curls. This is gonna come in handy really well when I have wet hair and I need to dry it. But I do wanna see if it can work on this dry, wavy hair as well. So let's see what happens when we try to curl. Put in some really light curls right there. Let's do the other side. I think there was a little learning curve because I totally figured it out for this side of my hair. So let me do the other side. This is great. Look at these really pretty curls. I'm loving it. I have like supermodel hair now. So one thing I noticed, this side was way easier for me. I am left-handed, so that makes total sense. And then this side, when I lowered the intensity level, it made it a lot easier. Otherwise, it was just kind of blowing everywhere. But that was so simple to put these super cool waves into my hair. And I am so excited to use it when my hair is wet and just get it dry really fast. I know I'm going to use this attachment a lot because this makes your hair dry so fast. And I'm excited for this. This is awesome. You're going to love it.